Good morning. It is our second day today in Disney World and we are going to Hollywood Studios today. I'm really excited about that. It's 7:30. We've got breakfast at 8:30 at Hollywood and Vine. So welcome to the Hollywood Studios vlog. So if you are new, when you haven't seen my Magic Kingdom video, I will link that down below, and also our surprise reveal that we did, because it was a really cute video that we did with the boys. We're going to take you along for the day. If you're new around here, I'd really love it if you wanted to subscribe to see more Disney content, but also family and travel and shopping, videos, fashion. I'd love it if you wanted to subscribe to see more from my channel, but for now, let's go. In Hollywood Studios. So this is one of the places I was really looking forward to coming to, because we love California and we've been to Hollywood quite a few times, so to be here is like really cool because we've like seen all these places in real life. So we just walked straight in and bumped into Daisy Duck, which the boys actually had a photo with. That was their first photo with a character, because we did see some yesterday, but the queues were huge, and we've actually got loads of character breakfast and dining, so we actually get to meet them in like a less formal setting, I guess, so that's really nice. I think for our children to get them warmed up, it's a really good way to do it. But anyway, we're going to go to Hollywood and Vine now and get some breakfast, then we're going to go around for an explore. Yay! Oh, and cinnamon buns. Yeah.
Little Mickey Mouses.
Wow, they look good. Nice. Thank you. Wow, I am so full. We've just finished our breakfast at Hollywood and Vine. It was really nice, but I have overeaten for sure. We're just doing sun cream. It's really, really hot. It's 10 o'clock and we are going to go over to our ride, which is Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. No, that was yesterday. The new one in Toy Story Land. I'll show you. I can't wait to show the boys. I have to give a shout out to this pram, because we would have literally been lost without it. It's been amazing. They can lay down. They basically have been driven around the whole park twice. Oh look, there's another one. We got definitely a popular choice for this car, or for this holiday.
There it is.
What can you see? Who's this? Henry, look!
Here. Does he have wings? Does he fall with style? Whoa, that's awesome! Is there a snake in his boot?
Oh, sorry. Wow! I love this park, it's so cool. So little Henry and I, we're going to go on to Slinky Dog Dash, which we're really excited about. And poor little George, I really thought he was going to be tall enough. He was like 1 centimetre too short, which was a real shame. But Stu's going to try and get him on alien swirling flying saucers, swirling saucers, and then hopefully we can go on Toy Story Mania afterwards, because he did love that one. So Georgie and Stu are in this one. I am not, because these rides actually make me really sick. They're like the teacups. Does anyone find that on the teacups they get really sick? So Stu and I have just switched. I just wanted to say that this is a different day, but I didn't go on this ride when we were on Hollywood Studios last time, so it's going to be a mixture of 2 days, just so you see exactly what we've got up to, rather than doing 2 Hollywood Studios vlogs, because that would be crazy.
Fellow toys are excited for your ride.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Your response out here is, sir, yes sir. I asked you, are you ready?
So we are going on here now, which I can't wait for.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
We are in lane for the Radiant Storm. It is raining so hard. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so my friends have bullied me into going in there. I have to do that later. But for now, we've got a fast pass for this one. So I don't think either of the boys can go on this one, and then definitely not going on Hollywood Tower of Terror. I'm scared, but my friends have basically told me I have to do it, otherwise I'm going to regret it. So that's me told, but we're going to go on Rock and Roller Coaster first.
Are you coming on?
Nothing really matters.
Nothing really matters to me.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
Henry and I are just going on Star Tours. George is not big enough, so Stu's taking him off, and then we'll do a parent swap, which means Stu doesn't have to queue because we got fast passes.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
What I love about the queues here is that they're really interactive, so it doesn't actually feel like you're queuing because there's like loads of stuff to look at.
I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break.
Wow, Star Tours was so good. Henry got to go on twice because of parent swap, so he loved that. And yeah, it was really good. And then Georgie and I met Olaf, which is cute. Oh, there's Goofy. There he is. Hi, Goofy. Photo bomb by Goofy. And now we're going to go to the Muppets 3D because it's about to rain. So yeah, we're going to get inside. Oh, this is cool. We've not been down here. I really want to go in there. It's a sci-fi diner. Because you sit in these cars, but because we wanted to do the Hollywood and Vine this morning for the children to meet the characters, we can't do that because we get one sit-down meal a day with our dining plan. But that's fine. We're coming back another day. I'm gonna put my camera away now because it's about to rain.
Be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can.
We just had our lunch, which was really nice, and I really want to go into this sci-fi diner, so we're just gonna have a little peek in and see if we can.
But I eat Henry's and George's.
No, not allowed in without a reservation or a walk-in, but it was like a film set. It looked so good, but it says no filming either, so one day we'll have to just come back so that we can go there, and I really want to do the 50s prime time as well. Right, we're going now to the Indiana Jones Star Wars, no, what's it called? Spectacular something. Indiana Jones.
Something Indiana Jones.
Probably not Star Wars, but anyway, we're going there. It's like a show, and I've heard really good things.
Han Solo is also
Oh, that's true, yeah, there is a connection. So we are going to watch the show, and it's like a kind of action show, so lots of like pedal physics and stuff like that. Oh!
Another one prepared, Beauty and the Beast.
So we've just come into the Star Wars bit and they've like asked us to come to the side. Now we're doing something, I don't know what.
Come on.
Daddy's day is being made right here. It's true, thank you. There's Henry. Step right over here to the left, please. Wow. Daddy's day has been made. Remain calm. I thought he was about to attack us. That was so good.
That's so cool. So cool.
Well done. Thank you so much.
Your loyalty to the First Order is appreciated. Careful. Someone might question your loyalty.
Oh, good boy.
Let's cool it down here.
That was so good. I mean, I don't even like Star Wars. Half the time I call it Star Trek, but that was amazing. I literally, I feel like this place is making me into a bit of a Trekkie or whatever you're called. Yeah, it was really good. And also they're building Star Wars Land and it looks amazing. Like next year, this is really bad timing because it's not open this year and it's gonna just make me want to come again next year. Anyway, we are heading off down now to see Fantasmic and then we're gonna go race back over and see the Star Wars Galactica. From Hollywood Studios. We had a really good time. It was everything I was hoping it was gonna be. These guys have been brilliant. They've been playing. Did you have a good time today in Hollywood Studios?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Favourites would have to be, remind me what it's called, babe. Toy Story Mania. Absolutely love that one. And I really like Star Tours. Oh, the Indiana Jones show was sadly cancelled because of inclement weather. Toy Story Land was brilliant. If you want to hear and see more about it, I'm going to link down below a blog post I'm going to write over on my blog, adventuresofamum.com. Really liked Toy Story Land. So yeah, this is the end of today. I'm going to be doing a Typhoon Lagoon video. And then that'll probably be next, and then the one after that will be Epcot, which I'm so looking forward to. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, I'd love it if you wanted to subscribe. I'm gonna go because it is really late and they need to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!